To the wives who see strength in their husbands, but also sense the silent pain they carry, this is for you. We often celebrate resilience of our men, but how often do we give them space to heal? How can we help the man we love overcome emotional damage he has carried for too long? Let's explore what we can do as partners to help him move from surviving to truly thriving. For many men, emotional trauma starts early. It comes from hearing men don't cry, or stay strong, or man up. What they really need was a safe place to express their feelings. These messages teach our boys that vulnerability is a weakness, and a lesson follows them into their adulthood. As wives, we must ask ourselves, are we helping to break these chains or reinforcing them? The first step is to understanding that behind his complex exterior is a man who wants to be seen and accepted, pain and all. We want to be accepted for our flaws. We got to accept them for theirs as well. Too often, silence becomes the only way men know how to cope. A father who was absent or emotionally distant, a mother who was stretched thin and could only offer conditional love, those experiences teach our men to guard their heart and bury their emotion. But should he carry this in silence forever? As a wife, I can create a space where he feels safe enough to open up. Let him know that with you, he can be himself, no mask, no pretenses. It can be hard to see your husband put up walls to watch him smile through pain, or keep conversations light to avoid deeper emotions. Recognize that these behaviors were learned from survival, not because he doesn't trust you. It's just something that was learned growing up. Your role isn't to fix him, but to show him that vulnerability doesn't diminish his strength, it enhances it. A lot of times we don't show the enhancement or understand it, so we can't embrace it. Start with patience. Create moments where he feels comfortable being vulnerable without judgment. Let him know that you're there to listen, not to solve or dismiss his experiences. Suppressing emotions comes at a high cost. It limits connections and fosters a cycle of isolation. Deep down, the young boy inside your husband still longs to hear that it's okay to feel, to express, and to heal. Ask yourself, how can we help our husbands understand that emotional openness does not make them weak, but helps them become better fathers, better partners, and most importantly, happier individuals? Too many men live with the burden of silent struggles, but it doesn't have to be that way. As wives, we have power to change the narrative, to be a partner who encourages emotional growth. To support him, acknowledge the boy within who needs compassion, and show him that love embraces every part of him, pain included. Together, you can create a safe space where healing is possible, where trust deepens, and where love becomes a force for transformation. If you found value in this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's spread awareness and create a community where our men feel seen, supported, and loved.